Hello and welcome to the Health Watch Daily channel, your source of reliable information on health and wellness. Today, we're talking about a topic that might make you a bit uncomfortable, but it's important to understand and address. That's right, we're talking about why your farts smell deadly. But before we get started, we wanted to let you know that we have a special bonus for you at the end of this video. So make sure to stay tuned until the very end for some extra motivation and inspiration. We promise it will be worth it. Now, let's get started with the 10 reasons why your farts smell so bad. Number 1. Poor diet. A diet high in processed foods, red meat, and dairy can result in smelly gas because these foods contain high amounts of sulfur-containing compounds. Sulfur is a naturally occurring element that is responsible for the strong and unpleasant odor of farts. Number 2. Digestive issues. Certain digestive issues like irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, or inflammatory bowel disease, IBD, can cause smelly gas because they can alter the normal gut bacteria balance and cause the overgrowth of certain bacteria that produce foul-smelling gas. Number 3. Bacterial overgrowth. Overgrowth of bacteria in the small intestine can lead to foul-smelling gas because the bacteria break down undigested carbohydrates and produce methane, hydrogen, and carbon dioxide, which are the main components of flatulence. Number 4. Lactose intolerance. If you're lactose intolerant, undigested lactose in your gut can result in smelly gas. The bacteria in your gut ferment the lactose and produce smelly gas as a byproduct. Number 5. Fructose intolerance. Similar to lactose intolerance, fructose intolerance can cause smelly gas because when the fructose is not absorbed and metabolized properly, the bacteria in your gut ferment it and produce smelly gas. Number 6. Malabsorption. Any issues with the absorption of nutrients can result in foul-smelling gas because the undigested nutrients can serve as a food source for the bacteria in your gut and result in the production of smelly gas. Number 7. Consuming certain foods. Foods like beans, lentils, cabbage, onions, and garlic can cause smelly gas because they contain complex sugars that are difficult for your body to digest, so the bacteria in your gut ferment them and produce smelly gas. Number 8. Alcohol consumption. Alcohol can cause smelly gas and make existing gas smell worse because it increases the production of gas in your gut and also alters the gut bacteria balance, leading to the overgrowth of bacteria that produce smelly gas. Number 9. Constipation. When waste builds up in your gut, it can cause smelly gas because the waste serves as a food source for the bacteria in your gut, and the bacteria produce smelly gas as a byproduct of digestion. Number 10. Medications. Certain medications can cause smelly gas as a side effect because they can slow down or alter the normal gut function, leading to the overgrowth of bacteria that produce smelly gas. So, these are the 10 reasons why your farts can smell deadly. As you can see, it can be due to many factors, and it's important to identify the cause and address it to prevent any further health issues. In conclusion, understanding why your farts smell deadly can be the first step towards improving your overall health and wellness. Now, let's get to that bonus we promised you earlier. Our mission is to improve your health and well-being by empowering you to make sustainable lifestyle choices. That's why we've put together a list of some of the best items that can help you achieve your health and wellness goals. We all want to feel good and live a happy and healthy life. But when the day starts, we may feel groggy, with a headache, and feeling bloated. We may feel sluggish and worn out, or struggle with fatigue, brain fog, mood swings, and mental slowness, among other conditions. You can significantly improve your quality of life by checking the resources in the description and choosing the ones that are most suited to your current needs. Join the thousands of people who are experiencing vibrant health and living their best lives. Check the links in the description, and thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more great content. We post new videos every day, so hit that notification bell to make sure you don't miss out. Thanks again, and we'll see you in the next one.